Have you ever tried explaining how the human heart works using only words? It can be confusing, but the moment you show a diagram or an animation, everything suddenly makes sense. That's the power of visual media in education. Hello everyone, my name is Aminullahi Dhikroh, and today I'll be explaining the reasons why visual media are important in educational communication. Visual media include pictures, diagrams, charts, videos, animations, and other visual materials used to support teaching and learning. Educational communication is simply the process of sharing knowledge between a teacher and learners in a way that promotes understanding and learning. The goal isn't just to deliver information, it is to help learners truly understand and remember it. The first reason is that visual media make abstract concepts easier to understand. For example, instead of describing the solar system with words alone, showing an animation helps learners clearly see how the planets move around the sun. Secondly, visual media improve attention and engagement. Most people naturally pay more attention to colorful images, videos, and animations than to long blocks of text. This keeps learners interested throughout the lesson. Another important reason is that visual media improve memory and retention. Research shows that learners remember information better when they both hear and see it. A picture paired with an explanation is much easier to recall than words alone. Visual media also bridge language barriers. In classrooms where students speak different languages, diagrams and illustrations help communicate ideas even when vocabulary is limited. Another reason is that they make invisible concepts visible. Processes like blood circulation, the water cycle, or how electricity flows cannot easily be observed directly. Animations and simulations allow learners to visualize these concepts clearly. Finally, visual media support different learning styles. Some learners understand best by reading, while others learn better by seeing. Using visuals helps more students learn effectively. Imagine a teacher explaining volcanoes using only spoken words. Now imagine the same lesson with pictures, a short eruption video, and a labeled diagram. Which lesson would you remember better? For most learners, the lesson with visuals is clearer, more engaging, and easier to remember. In summary, visual media are much more than attractive classroom materials. They simplify difficult ideas, increase learner engagement, improve memory, support different learning needs, and make communication between teachers and learners far more effective. Thank you for watching.